Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever dreamed of a salon-quality manicure at home without the hassle of a UV lamp, then you're going to want to hear about this. Today, we're diving into Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Unicorn Top Coat. This top coat promises to bring a pop of glitter and extra longevity to your nails, all while offering the ease of a no UV light gel-like finish. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This top coat is designed to transform any regular nail color into a long-lasting gel-like finish. The idea is simple. Use it over your favorite nail color, and you're supposed to get that signature gel shine, plus a finish that resists chipping for up to 14 days. The key selling point? No UV lamp required, making it more convenient than traditional gel manicures. Looking at the product, it's a clear, glitter-infused formula with fine, iridescent flecks that give your nails a mystical, unicorn-inspired shine. It's meant to be used over any Sally Hansen Miracle Gel color, though it can be applied to other nail polishes as well. Let's talk about how it actually performs. I've used this top coat over a variety of shades, and the consistency is easy to work with. It glides on smoothly, and the glitter particles are fine enough that they don't overpower the nail color, but still give that magical sparkle. It dries down quickly, so you're not left waiting forever like with some other top coats. The shine it gives is impressive. Think of it like a gel manicure that's just come out of the salon. But how does it hold up over time? I was pleasantly surprised by the chip resistance. It lasted around a week with minimal wear on the edges, which is longer than most traditional polishes I've used. Of course, it's not as long-lasting as a full-on gel manicure with a UV lamp, but for a no-lamp option, it definitely holds its ground. However, the major downside for me is that the glitter, while pretty, can sometimes feel a bit gritty after drying. It's not a huge deal, but if you're someone who prefers that smooth, glass-like finish, you might find it a tad annoying. Additionally, the glitter can make removal a little trickier compared to standard top coats. You'll need a bit more patience and some soaking time to get rid of all the glitters. So keep that in mind. Is it worth the price? At the end of the day, this product is a good alternative for those who want the look of a gel manicure without the commitment of a UV lamp. If you're a regular at-home manicurist and don't mind a little extra removal effort, this is a great addition to your nail polish collection. If you're someone who needs an ultra-smooth, salon-perfect finish that lasts for weeks, you might be better off sticking with traditional gels. If you're interested in a similar product that might suit a different budget, there are other glitter top coats out there that provide similar shine but without as much of a grit texture. You can also try other non-UV gel hybrid polishes, which might give you a longer lasting result without the high-end price tag. To wrap it up, Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Unicorn Top Coat is a fun and easy way to add sparkle to your nails, and it delivers decent longevity for a non-UV gel alternative. If you're looking for a no-fuss, glittery finish and don't mind some extra removal work, I would definitely recommend giving it a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.